Hello children, I am your art teacher and I am back with a new video. Today we will learn how to make this DIY jar for home decor. Isn't it beautiful? To make this jar, we require glue gun, one empty jar which should be clean, brush, Fevibond glue, some colorful stones, this metallic color, pearl metallic color, and this acrylic color. Now to start with this, we will take this jar, we will make some designs on the jar. Any geometrical pattern we'll make on this. Like this, we will fill it all. As you can see, we are done with the glue, all these patterns and designs. What we need to do, we will take this color, metallic color, and randomly we will fill the patterns. We will not spread color like this. We will do it like this. We are doing this in this way because we need this rough texture. We will not fill all the patterns. have to be very careful while doing this. Color should not come on glue. It should be filled inside the designs. In this way, we will fill this metallic color. Randomly we have to fill them. I think it's almost done. We will check this side. It's almost done. Now, after this, we will take this cap and we will color this white first. For that I am taking white acrylic color. Again, we will not spread color like this. See, it's not coming properly. That's why I am dabbing it like this. This texture is not even, but don't bother about it. We are doing first layer of the color. After doing this, we will leave it for dry. It will take at least 15 to 16 minutes to dry. Now this is dry. Now we will take this color and we will color it. First layer we have done with white color. So now it's easy to color on this. Now this is done. Now what I will do, I will take this glue and we'll take these colorful stones. What I will do, I will put the glue on this. While working with this, we have to be little bit careful, and I am putting it in the center. Like this, I will stick all the stones. Now this is done. Now with this glue it takes almost 12 hours to dry. So after that we will assemble these both together. Now after putting all of them together, it will look like this. Check yourself. Now this is dry. I am going to put it over here. Look yourself. How nice is this one looking? Now put any candle inside this or put them like this on center table. They will look awesome. I hope you like this video. Thank you.